everyone, I hope you're doing well. Today we have to go high up into the canopy to do some design work with some plants, so let's get started. You know, for the longest time, I have only had Pothos over here, a hanging Pothos, and a hanging heartleaf Philodendron hanging down from my ceilings here, my apartment in downtown Denver. The ceilings, as I've told you guys in the past, go up about 22 feet tall in elevation, but it is time for me to switch things up a bit. And what I'm going to do by that is I'm going to move these babies into a different location, and I'm going to take an epiphytic plant, which is a plant that grows on the side of other plants, but not like a parasite would, to kind of give it a more natural feeling and to allow it to almost look at this as its natural environment. Just like that, magic, both plants are gone. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use this pot though, and this is the outer layer of a Wally Grow pot. And what those are is they have an internal pot inside them that you can take out, and it makes it easier just to go and water the plant over at the sink, and then you just plop it back in. So what I'm going to do right now is move it from that location where it was, and I'm going to put it over here where I had that hanging Pothos. And it's only like a short move over, but the fact is that this little area gets way more light than that corner over there, especially with those windows that are up there. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go grab the plant that we're going to be focusing on here, and it is a Philodendron wendlandii. And so this is the Philodendron wendlandii, and it is a beautiful, beautiful philodendron with about a foot long lance-like leaves. They go out about a foot. Again, like I was saying, this is an epiphytic plant, meaning it grows on the side of other plants and trees. This plant hails from Nicaragua, so it's used to kind of those warmer temperatures and not super bright light, but it likes bright indirect light like most philodendron. So what I wanted to do is, because I've basically been using these baskets here for hanging plants, like what you saw there with the Pothos and with the heartleaf philodendron. But what I really want to do is try switching it up, and maybe I might not like it, maybe I will. That'll be up for interpretation later on. But the nice thing about these pots is that you can basically just swap out if you have another plant inside there. So kind of like the way that looks, but I'm curious to see what it looks like from a wider view.